In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Outlook. If you want Outlook to display menus, settings, and other options in a different language, the process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through it slowly so it's easy to follow, and this can be especially helpful if you're setting up Outlook for your own preference or adjusting it for better accessibility. To begin, open Outlook on your device and make sure you're fully loaded into your mailbox. Once Outlook is open, look toward the left side or main navigation area and click Mail. This takes you into the Mail section, which is where you can access the settings area we need for this change. After that, go to the top of the screen and click View. In this menu, you'll find display-related options and additional configuration settings. Once you're in View, click View Settings. This opens the settings panel where Outlook lets you customize how the app behaves and how information is shown. When the settings window appears, find and click General. The General section includes broader Outlook preferences that affect your overall experience rather than just one specific folder or message view. Inside General, look for the option called Language and Time and click on that. This is the section where Outlook allows you to adjust your language preferences. You should now see the available language settings. From here, simply select the specific language you prefer. Take a moment to choose carefully, especially if you're switching to a language you read more comfortably, since this may change the labels and menus throughout Outlook. Once you've selected your preferred language, Outlook may apply the change right away, or it may require you to save the setting depending on the version you're using. In some cases, you might also need to refresh Outlook or reopen it before the new language fully appears across the interface. If you don't immediately see the exact language you want, check the list closely, since some languages may appear under regional variations. Also, keep in mind that language and time settings are often grouped together because they affect how dates, times, and parts of the interface are displayed. And that's it. By opening Outlook, going to Mail, selecting View, then View Settings, General, and Language and Time, you can quickly switch Outlook to the language that works best for you. This is a simple adjustment, but it can make using Outlook much more comfortable and efficient.